Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got something new, Liquid Brun by French Avenue, the 100 milliliter bottle. Just arrived, so let's check out the packaging and bottle first. Let's get into it. You can see the outer box is solid, with good quality print, minimal design touches, elegant font. It has a matte finish with some subtle gloss on the name. Feels premium. Let's open it. Let's talk about the fragrance itself. According to the note breakdown, the top notes are cinnamon, orange blossom, cardamom, bergamot. Middle heart notes are bourbon, vanilla, and Elemi. Base notes, praline, Ambroxan, Guaiac wood, and musk. Here's the bottle, 100 milliliter size. The shape is clean and classic. Thick glass at the base, decent heft. The cap feels secure, not too loose. The atomizer looks good. Spray seems even, strong mist, which is always a plus. On the label, French Avenue branding is crisp. All in all, it looks more expensive than the price point suggests. Right at the opening, big hit of cinnamon and cardamom. Spicy, warm. You'll also get a touch of citrus, bergamot, and orange blossom to cut through that spice so it's not too heavy immediately. The praline sweetness and vanilla are noticeable, but in those first moments, spice and sweet are balancing things out. Some people describe the opening as almost bakery-like or reminiscent of cinnamon sugar desserts. It's very eye-catching from the start. After the opening settles, say 20 to 30 minutes in, the heart really fleshes out. The vanilla becomes richer, bourbon vanilla is noticeable. Elemi adds a slightly resinous, aromatic lift. It keeps things from being a flat vanilla bomb. The sweetness of the praline comes more forward, mingling with the warm woods, Guaiac wood, and musk. Ambroxan gives that smooth, long-lasting, slightly airy, clean woody note. It's less spicy now, more creamy, more gourmand comfort. Now, a big question. How close is this to Parfums de Marly Althair? Many people say Liquid Brun is a dupe or very close. Based on my experience, the opening has very similar notes. Spice, cinnamon, cardamom, praline, vanilla vibe. Althair also leans heavily into that rich vanilla, gourmand woods, amber sweetness. The middle and base match fairly closely in terms of sweetness, warmth, and the creamy/praline character. Where they diverge, Althair might have marginally more depth or refinement in certain batches. Sometimes the opening of Althair feels slightly more polished or smoother in transition. Liquid Brun is excellent value for what it gives you. For many noses, once things settle, it's hard to distinguish them side by side. So, if you adore Althair but can't/won't pay the higher price, Liquid Brun is a compelling alternative. In conclusion, Liquid Brun is well presented, smells luxurious, and gives you big vibes of vanilla, cinnamon, woods, and sweet gourmand accords. If you're into those kinds of scents, especially during fall/winter evenings or nights out, this could be a great addition. It delivers a lot for the price. If you liked this unboxing/review, hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss upcoming fragrance content. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Liquid Brun or Althair. How similar do they seem to you? Until next time, spritz something you love and enjoy.